Welcome to another episode of Ask Jade. Today, I'm going to just go over online reviews. So many businesses are rightfully concerned about the significant effect that negative reviews can have on your business reputation, but efforts that some businesses are taking to keep consumers from voicing their concerns may violate the law. So Congress unanimously passed the Consumer Review Fairness Act to protect people's ability to share any information on any forum, their honest opinions about businesses, products, services, or conduct. And some companies have been using contract provisions, including, your online terms and conditions that threaten to sue customers or penalize them financially for posting negative reviews or complaints. And this new law makes that illegal. So the Federal Trade Commission just issued a kind of outline that gives you pointed guidance on what this means for your company. I'm going to include the link to that below if you would like to check that out. But overall, the Consumer Review Fairness Act, the Federal Trade Commission, and the First Amendment all serve to protect free speech and honest customer reviews. So what can you do about it? If faced with a negative review, the Consumer Review Fairness Act does allow businesses to remove reviews that contain confidential or private information, such as someone's personal, financial, medical information, a company's trade secrets, anything that is harassing, abusive, obscene, vulgar, anything that's inappropriate with respect to race, gender, sexuality, ethnicity, or is unrelated to the company's products or services and is clearly false or misleading. So let's talk about removing reviews that contain factually inaccurate information. There's a difference between a customer's opinion and factual information that can lead to actual defamation. So some examples of content that would be covered under the First Amendment and protected are customer opinions such as, that business charges an arm and a leg, or I wasn't happy with the services I received. That's protected, can't really do anything about that. On the other hand, reviews that contain blatant factual inaccuracies that harm your business can be grounds for a defamation lawsuit. Some examples include, this company doesn't have a license to provide their services, or this company charged me for services that were never delivered. If that is factually false, that could set you up for a lawsuit for defamation. And I mean, are you able to recover or sue that reviewer over a bad review? If it contained factual disinformation about your business? Sure, you can do that. What about the host site where the review was viewed and sharing it with the world? Can't do that. Under the U.S. Communications Decency Act, websites cannot be held liable for publishing content written by a third party, such as Yelp, Google reviews, Health Grades, Angie's List. So what exactly can you do? Is filing a defamation lawsuit a viable option? Is it practical? The truth is, it would take a significant amount of time, money, energy, hiring a lawyer like myself to bring a lawsuit in order to get a bad review removed. But if the comment is extremely harmful to your business and you can prove it to be false, it may be worth the time, money, and energy. If not, there are other more practical ways to deal with a bad review, such as request just from that website that the review be taken down. You can make your case that it is false. Just keep in mind that they are not under any obligation to remove the review. You can post a thoughtful and gracious response. This is sometimes seen as the best way to address bad reviews. And then you can just work to generate more positive online reviews, which can really trump that one small bad review in the long run. So these are just some overall tips for how to deal with negative online reviews that every small business has come along once in a while. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to Jade Law. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have, and I'll see you next time.